Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to unsend an avatar from your chat on Instagram. If you've accidentally sent an avatar and want to take it back, follow these simple steps to make it disappear. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your features seamlessly. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your home feed, where you can see all the latest posts from the people you follow. Next, look for the messages icon located at the top right corner of the page. This icon looks like a paper airplane or a messenger symbol. Tap on it to enter your direct messages, where all your conversations are stored. Now, find and open the chat that contains the avatar you want to unsend. Scroll through your message threads until you locate the conversation with the specific person. Once you've opened the chat, take a moment to review the messages exchanged. Here's where the magic happens. Click and hold on the avatar that you wish to unsend. After a brief moment, a menu will pop up with options related to that message. Look for the option that says Unsend. This is your ticket to removing that avatar from the conversation. Finally, tap on Unsend, and just like that, the avatar will be removed from both your chat and the recipient's view. It's as if it was never sent at all. This feature is perfect for those moments when you change your mind or accidentally send something you didn't mean to share. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully unsent an avatar from your Instagram chat. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating social media effortlessly. Thanks for watching.